Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Box Garage. And I think today I want to go walk you guys around and give you a little bit of a project update. So as you can see, there's a lot going on behind me. There's a lot going on outside. And I really just haven't covered a lot of it because we've been busy. So I thought this would be a good time just to show you a little bit of everything. And cheers to that. To start off though, I want to show you our first project up there on the wall. We stuck a TV out here so we can watch a little bit of YouTube or put some music on or the game. And yeah, I'll use it to put in a plug for Box Garage. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It'd mean a lot. But now, on to what we're doing here. So the first thing we're doing, as you can see, is a dash for an early Bronco. This originally came in, we bought it off eBay, it was red. Got it for a few $100 shipped, I think it was $300. And originally the dash in there was all hacked apart. We put in a steering column from a 93. The entire truck had a wiring harness from a 93, and the plan was to drop in a EFI 302 from a newer truck, an E40D. And after just driving the truck around, my dad decided to stick with a carb. So we just had a lot of extra wiring in that we didn't need, as you could tell kind of under there. These are all modern plugs. This is all from like a 93, like I said. So just way too much wiring for that truck. You know, then we have the older cluster tied into it. We didn't need it, there's more of it. So we decided to get a universal wiring harness. This is like a painless harness. Remove all that stuff, remove the diamond plate dash, remove the newer steering column, and just clean up the truck. So if you want to peek in here, we used to have a big fuse box over there on the other fender from the 93. That's pulled out. If you want to peek in here, there's even more stuff pulled out from under the dash. We got a new column, all stainless, smaller wheel. And yeah, just going for a little bit more of a cleaner look, something that matches the rest of the vehicle. And yeah, it's a big project. If you saw the bumper video, my dad was actually kind of working on this while I was painting the bumper. So this has been in here for a couple weeks now. Hopefully in the next week or so we'll get this finished up, and we'll be on to more projects. But yeah, the dash was a lot. We had to go clean that all up. We painted it, a little bit of rust work, but not too bad. Another thing that I want to point out on it is he has a roll cage in here. So typically these fold out here, your glove boxes. Well, the roll cage bars are there. So move the hinge over, and now this thing opens sideways so you can actually use it still. Then he went to I believe it was Jeff's Bronco Graveyard, and replaced the rear of this with a plastic glove box container. The original one is almost like cardboard. So just a few little things going on with that. Another project, we'll go around the back of this thing. It's a little dark backing up. I need a little bit more light. So my dad cut in some backup lights, reverse lights. Got the same one on this side too. So that was just a small little project, but it's something. Well, it's time consuming. So I think that gets you up to date on what's going on with the red 70 Bronco. If you guys want to see more of this thing, let me know in the comments. There's a lot of work that's been done to this truck, a whole frame off. I got a lot of information I can share. So even if you want a full walk around, let me know. We can take this out one day, wash it up, and show you all the details on it. Now, onto the Blazer.